Have you ever wondered how to make your lipstick pop and really stand out? I'm Jaleesa Sharice, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my perfect pout. No matter whether you're applying a matte lipstick or a gloss, the foundation of your lips is super important. So I am going to start by exfoliating my lips because I want to get all of the dead, cracked skin away. So I'm going to be using the Fresh Sugar Lip Polish, and I only need just about a pea size of this. And then I just apply it to my lips and then use my fingers to scrub for about 30 seconds. You don't have to do any rough scrubbing. It should be very gentle and that skin should start to come right on up. So you'll be on your way to smooth lips. There are some sugar lip scrubs that you can actually lick away, but I am going to use a damp paper towel to remove the scrub. When you're done with your scrub, your lips may feel a little dry, so you're going to need to apply some type of treatment balm or primer. I'm going to be using the Sugar Lip Treatment from Fresh Beauty. A little bit of this stuff really goes a long way, so you don't need a ton of it because you don't want your lips to be super glossy because you're going to be applying lipstick over it. This should serve as a smooth base. Before applying my base color, I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Club Hopper. It's a very chocolatey, milk chocolate deep brown. With this liner, I'm going to, of course, line my lips, but also fill in the corners. By applying a balm or lip treatment, this really helps the lip liner go on smoothly. Moving on to my base color. So since I used a brown lip liner, I'm going to be using Choco Tease from MAC Cosmetics, and this is one of the Retro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This is a beautiful deep brown creamy formula, and it dries down to a soft matte. Once I've let Choco Tease dry down, I'm going to contour and shape my lips using Burnt Spice, which is another Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. And this is a neutral nude pink. My lips are already pretty full, but this technique makes them look even fuller. I apply 2 dots of burnt spice to my top and bottom lips, more towards the center where my lips protrude. You can blend the lipsticks by using a brush, but I just kind of pat my lips together until I get it looking exactly the way I want it. And if you feel like you need to touch up with your browns, your lip liners, or your lipsticks, you can. This part is all about blending to get the perfect look. I always love to make my lip looks even more interesting by ombreing my lips or adding more dimension. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Nika K Lip Shine in A52, which is also called chocolate. And it actually smells like chocolate, you guys. It's so delicious. There are a plethora of options when it comes to adding texture and dimension to your lip looks. You can add glitter, metallics, satins, shiny lip glosses. Have fun with it and be creative. Alright you guys, so that is how I achieve my perfect pout. If you're a makeup beginner, I hope you took away some tips, and be sure to subscribe to Oco School's YouTube channel and blog for more beginner makeup tutorials. Don't forget to glow, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye!